Addo Otchere, my favorite politician of all.
Busuyama wakwa babiom emfambra Ghana Nsem TV so. Ebusuya Paul Adom Otchere oye adwuma ewo kasafide friend say Metro TV na no na kire say special prosecutor kisi ejaben invite no Friday no na o say on brand na ontoto na no ewo corruption related issues bi akoko pie mu ema OSP editeni no na oditeni no o kire mu say onfa ejapade a ewo edan so kire say edan a asasina esiso no registered in his name mienu enfambra ansa na obe grant ni bill Paul Adom Otchere enye bia anko eno ntino that day no o de netu mu na MPP for mpanyifo former president Addo Otchere Dr. Bawumia minority that asahini afenyo marking any mpanyifo bebre efrefre ye bon humodi ama me no ka say die Paul Adom Otchere yetimi ama ni bill wa be fie na oba fie no na wa ye video bi a odeda MPP so go komane yekoni nyina ase se odomaseni odo a mo kire ye o se ne yire ni je papa se ne mpanyifo ne si frefre no hu se se na odwan oso go komane yekoni na odwan party papa te mo no ka say die ye nua be ma Paul Adom Otchere the video bi ababonten a o de MPP mpanyifo ase busuya mo yem ko sa video ni mbra na ewi a na ye di nkomo kakra de aka ho me das
Everyone, Nana Addo Otchere, my favorite politician of all time. My wife is so happy with the call that you placed to her, the consent that you show. Mr. President, thank you very much. Alhaji Bawumia and your wife Samira, former Vice President, the Elephant family. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win. The Elephant family, Alexander Fenyo Markin, the minority leader. Oh my goodness, you were fantastic. Nana B, especially General Secretary Justin Kodua, they were on Godfrey Damne's neck. They were calling him. This evening they called. When I picked my phone, Nana B had called me 21 times. My goodness, this is amazing. Thank you to Zoom Lion, my ultimate boss, Ambassador Zoom Lion, Rashid Ibrahim. You are a brother, Rashid. You are such a brother. Damne said you called him and said, Godfrey, you may not know me, but I'm Rashid Yusuf. That's your name. I don't know why I call you Rashid Ibrahim. Because of the Ibrahim connection, I saved your number as Rashid Ibrahim. Rashid Yusuf, Alhaji Yusuf's son, of course. Damne said you called. He said, you may not know me. I'm Rashid Yusuf. I'm Paul's very good friend. I understand that he can't find property to bail. I have sent you a text of my properties, my documents. Please file it and let them give my friend bail. Rashid, you are more than a brother. Rashid, thank you so much. Thank you to your wife. Thank you to your family. Thank you to your father. Oh, you showed great love. Lawyer Ejeba for Mensha South. Lawyer, I still can hear you telling me, still ringing in my ears, that Paul, I know you have not done anything wrong, but because this is a way for Kisi to get back at you, I remember that, and you told me that be careful he doesn't detain you, so you have to ask for a postponement. Tadio, sorry. You send me texts encouraging me and telling me what to do and how to go about it. Afenyo Markin actually coached me that when you go, be calm. Whatever they say, be calm. What they want to do is to create something so they can detain you. We all know that. We are on standby, and God be with you. Afenyo.
Right, Busham, this is what your video number. Paul Adom Otchere actually say, "In your man MPP from 24 year man, wabra OSP actually neni so. Otchere as your appreciation. This is how MPP also will come on your city. Over joining MPP also will come on your corner. Na uko how one party no show solidarity. Actually, will say you are one of us. Okay, home. And no needing a This is the kind of party you should join as a youth. If you want to join a political party, this is the political party you should join. And what you all say, they care about you, they love you, they see you to be one of them, they appreciate what you are doing for them. What I say, they appreciate what you are doing for them. You see, this OSP guy knows that Paul Adom Otchere has not done anything wrong. But because Paul Adom Otchere has been questioning his decision, the kind of thing he has been doing, how he's going about his things, especially with this man, Oforiata issue, the way he comes on TV and make the thing looks like Nipana Bonnet without charging the person and all those stuff, and he has been questioning him trying to get information, trying to know the reason why he's doing all these things. And this is the reason why the man is pissed. Because he feels like, I can say you're monitoring my life, you're monitoring the things that I'm doing, but that's what he should be doing because he's a journalist. And he should be questioning you on the thing that you are doing if you are wrong. So it's not because like maybe any bro and I say baby, no, it is not like that. It is not like that. So the OSP was just trying to get back at him. He was just trying to get back at him. And we all know that he was just trying to get back at him. But the truth will always be the truth. And the elephant will always be the elephant. We are going to bounce back. And you see, 2028, when power changes, this country is going to be unbearable for some people. I'm not going to mention names. But they know themselves. They know. And they know this country is going to be unbearable for them. And I know when that time comes, they will try, like, trying to find mercy. It's not going to happen that time. It is not going to happen. Because what they are doing today, we will surely get back at them. We will surely get back at them. And people will understand. People will understand. So Paul Adom Otchere says, thank you to the New Patriotic Party, thank you to the leadership, the supporters of the New Patriotic Party, and every reasonable Ghanaian. Abra, what is the OSP editing no? On a bomb payamano, and no, a quadrum chromecast at the OSP and yet, or someone in our damasi, some much no or don't. Now, in the waba. Wachina, Monday, Sababa, good evening, Ghana, or the more details on what actually happened at the office of the OSP, and I say the office of the special prosecutor or the brain, not Ghana for any of course. Me didn't know that so at the promise the blogger Hanum Ghana in SEM TV. Near me, of course, Ghana and for politics, and near man on SEM, Sani Kano Chikasem, and the bro. Ghana and SEM TV had the correct news, facts, any figures and quantity, had no propaganda and no credit, near Ghana in SEM TV. The best say subscribe to Ghana in SEM TV now, your page, by like, what Shama Unia say Ghana in SEM TV and in Sempa and a bro, and I say.